This division skill requires you to divide a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. You must correctly answer 20 problems to complete Quiz 1, 40 problems to complete Quiz 2, and 60 problems to complete the exam. Watch the demonstration. 96 divided by 8. 8 goes into 9 one time. 1 times 8 is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. Bring down the 6. 8 goes into 16 two times. 2 times 8 is 16. 16 minus 16 is 0. The remainder is 0. The answer is 12. Now I'll click the Done button and move on to the next problem. 59 divided by 5. 5 goes into 5 one time. 1 times 5 is 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. Bring down the 9. 5 goes into 9 one time. 1 times 5 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. Four goes in the remainder box. The answer is 11, remainder 4. Now I'll click the Done button and move on to the next problem. 67 divided by 3. 3 goes into 6 two times. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Bring down the 7. 3 goes into 7 two times. 2 times 3 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. Put 1 in the remainder box. The answer is 22, remainder 1. Click the Done button and click the Next Problem button. 22 divided by 4. 4 cannot go into 2, but 4 goes into 22 5 times. 5 times 4 is 20. Two minus 0 is 2, and 2 minus 2 is 0. Put 2 in the remainder box. The answer is 5, remainder 2. Click the Done button and move on to the next problem. 62 divided by 8. 8 can't go into 6, but it can go into 62 7 times. Seven times 8 is 56. I can't subtract 6 from 2, so I'll have to borrow. 12 minus 6 is 6. I borrowed from this 6, so it's now a 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. I'll put 6 in the remainder box. And the answer is 7 remainder 6. I'll click the Done button and move on to the next problem. 37 divided by 6. 6 can't go into 3, but it can go into 37 6 times. Six times 6 is 36. Seven minus 6 is 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. I'll put 1 in the remainder box. The answer is 6 remainder 1. I'll click the Done button and move on. "65 divided by 9. 9 can't go into 6, but it can go into 65 7 times. Seven times 9 is 63. Five minus 3 is 2. 6 minus 6 is 0. I'll put 2 in the remainder box. The answer is 7 remainder 2. Now I'll click the Done button and click the Next Problem button. "43 divided by 9. 9 can't go into 4, but it can go into 43 4 times. Four times 9 is 36. I can't subtract 6 from 3, so I'll have to borrow. 13 minus 6 is 7. I borrowed from this 4, so it's now a 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. 7 goes in the remainder box. The answer is 4 remainder 7. I'll click the Done button and move on to the next question. 46 divided by 4. 4 goes into 4 1 time. 1 times 4 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Bring down the 6. 4 goes into 6 1 time. 1 times 4 is 4. Six minus 4 is 2. 2 goes in the remainder box. The answer is 11 remainder 2. Now I'll click the Done button and move on to the next problem. 85 divided by 6. 6 goes into 8 one time. 1 times 6 is 6. Eight minus 6 is 2. Bring down the 5. Six goes into 25 4 times. Four times 6 is 24. Five minus 4 is 1. And 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 goes in the remainder field. The answer is 14 remainder 1. Now I'll click the Done button.